Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you properly how to upgrade this normal PC to look like a SSD hard disk connect or something look like faster. This is our SSD hard drive. We wanted to migrate our operating system. Not for migrate, we want to directly install operating system. This SSD hard disk. Okay, just we connect the power cable, then after SATA cable. That SATA cable is connected. Another connection is going to be motherboard. One side is hard disk, other one side is motherboard. After everything is connected, everything is the same as it is, just for including one SSD hard disk look like it, because motherboard having a minimum is 4 SSD port is there. Also they are having a hard disk, also they're having a extra power connection. Okay, every connection will check this, recheck again, everything is working well, RAM everything is connected. Okay, CD drive also, DVD ROM, everything is connected. Okay, then after we connect our bootable pen drive. How to make a bootable pen drive, I will show you. This is the another video. This is my bootable pen drive. This PC is Lenovo ThinkCenter Edge. The BIOS you have to, after connect hard drive, press on. We have to select the BIOS key. After BIOS key, there is what you do. We have to do this one. Press is the BIOS key. Okay, whenever you go, this is the BIOS key. You have to select this one, bootable menu. This one is bootable menu. Is a start off. Inside is start off. They are having a bootable option, because this is the primary bootable sequence. Our pen drive is not showing there. What do you do? You have to do something that have showing in this one. X and exclamatory they are showing. If you wanted to secondary excluded to this is transfer primary means we have to click X. Okay, this option we wanted to go primary sequence. Press F. Look, you can check. Press X. It's automatically is going up primary section. Okay, everything is going primary. You wanted to go move. This is up arrow. There are also plus and minus. You wanted to go move and down, up and down. This one is plus and minus. And excluded to primary means you have to select X and backslash. Okay, after select our pen drive is going connecting it. This one our bootable pen drive software. Select our operating system. After select, this is I'm joking. Okay, after select, they are showing 1, 2, 3. They are showing your bootable device is connected. Windows is going to be boot on pen drive. In a pen drive, this one, which operating system you wanted to install already. They are showing which language. Select English. Everything is okay. Then after install now, after install we have to select which drive. That means which hard drive you have to be select this one. Okay. After complete this one, start up Windows. Click next. We don't have a key. Okay. Okay, after next, this is the operating system where varieties version is there. We wanted to install Windows 10 Pro. Select Windows 10 Pro. They're asking which drive you have to be select. That means operating system which drive you wanted to be select. This is go menu customize. That time we have to select our SSD. Which one are SSD? We have to know total size and what is called this one. Okay. After select our SSD, click next. That's it. Our all operating system copies our SSD hard drive. Next time, whenever your PC is booting from SSD drive, it's not for normal SSD. Okay, that's it. We have to wait for just to complete this one. This one needed to be complete 100%. 100%. This one is after that everything is going with normal. Okay, everything is going normal. Copies data. After copy 94% getting installed. This is the most important file. This transfer bootable pen drive to operating system transferring SSD hard disk inside. Okay, 95% is going to be 100%. Then after features update getting finished, everything is going complete well. Okay, this is the first time we select our pen drive, because we need it to be a primary our pen drive. Whenever you remove after installation complete, everything is complete, we have to remove our pen drive. After remove, we have to select first primary boot from the SSD hard disk. Okay, whenever you select the SSD hard disk, that time also they're asking, automatically they're checking all data, all file, everything is correct or not correct. Sometimes check, sometimes it's not checked directly, so Windows is booting. Okay, This one after 6 minutes, after 6 seconds, Windows is going restart. After restart, okay. Now we already remove our hard drive or SSD pen drive, bootable pen drive. We have to select. This is our SSD hard disk. Whenever you select SSD hard disk, they're checking all data, C drive, all data, all system file or program file, everything is correct, working properly. They're checking skip, checking. No, we wanted to check this one properly. Everything is working. Okay, we can check this. This is a state drive. G. Okay, they're checking everything is the all data system file, program file, everything's working properly. They were just for checking this one. Sometimes check, sometimes Windows is not checking this one anything. Because whenever you select the second drive is your second primary drive is your hard disk on, and first primary drive is your bootable pen drive. These are one things. Other things you can do directly is go to the bootable menu. You can select whenever you want it to be installed operating system. You can select directly your USB, bootable USB. Okay, no need to go BIOS inside. Okay, after check everything. Okay, this is 100% complete. After that, Windows is starting is normal. Everything is going to be normal. You can check that Windows is started. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Get ready, PC is ready. Okay.